students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see Mathemagic Workbook Standard 4th. Now all of you open your page number 166. In the previous video we have completed main 12. Today we'll see main 13. First of all, read the question. Make questions on the basis of the pictures and statements and then write their answers. See here pictures are given, okay, and the statement also given. Here it's one example is there. On that statement you have to make questions also, write answers also, and you have to show the method also. See here the boxes are given of what? Bottles. In that boxes bottles are there. See, statement is there are 3 boxes. 3 boxes are there. Each box has 24 bottles, which one bottle, in one bottle 24 bottles are there. Now you have to make question that 3 boxes are there and each box has 24 bottles. So आपका क्वेश्चन क्या होगा? The how many total bottles are there in all the boxes together? See, एक बॉक्स की 24 बॉटल्स दी गई है एंड 3 बॉक्स की तो आपको फाइंड आउट करनी पड़ेगी. तो आपका क्वेश्चन होगा हाउ मेनी टोटल बॉटल्स आर देयर इन ऑल द बॉक्सेस टुगेदर. नाउ आंसर्स यू हैव टू राइट डाउन, बट आई शो यू दैट before writing the answer you have to show the method. okay, तो आंसर के लिए आपको पहले जगह छोड़ देनी होगी. leave that place for answers and see the method. see, each boxes has 24 bottles, so 3 boxes have how much? So 3 boxes multiply by 24 bottles. Now 3 multiply by 24, then we get the 72 bottles. Now 72 bottles is the answer. So write down in the answer, there are 72 bottles in all the boxes together. आपका क्वेश्चन है ना कि how many total bottles are there in the all the boxes together. तो answer is there are 72 bottles in all the boxes together. This one is the example. Now we will start from the first one. Now see the first one. First of all, see the statement given. There are 8 packets of Rakhis. Okay, 8 packet is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 8 packet is there. Okay, and each packet has 6 Rakhis in it. See, 8 packets are there. And each packet, one packet के अंदर 6 Rakhis है. तो आपका क्वेश्चन क्या होगा? क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मेनी टोटल राखीज are there in all the packets? How many total Rakhis are there in all the packets? Now answer आपको as it is अभी तो रहने देना है. Okay, leave that place. Now see the method. See, 8 packets, 6 Rakhis. Okay, see 8 multiply by 6 Rakhis. यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है कि 1 packet 6 Rakhis, तो 8 packets how much? So 8 packets multiply by 6. 8 6 are 48. So 48 it's a Rakhis. So answer is there are total 48 Rakhis in all the packets. Now see the second one. See the statement. There are 10 packets of sugar. 10 packet is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 packets of sugar is there. Ashok Bhai paid rupees 110 for all the packets. Now Ashok Bhai paid 110 rupees for all the packets. आपको क्या दिया है कि 10 पैकेट्स ऑफ शुगर है एंड अशोक भाई ने ऑलरेडी रुपीज 110 रुपीज पेड किया है फॉर ऑल द पैकेट्स. सो ऑल द पैकेट्स की प्राइस दी गई है. तो what is the price of each packet? You have to find out that. So question is how much amount is paid for 1 packet of sugar? 1 packet का find out करना है. तो how much amount is paid for 1 packet of sugar? Now answer आपको बाद में लिखना है. Now see the method. See, 10 packets rupees 110. Therefore 1 packets how much? Cross multiplication. 1 multiplied by 110 upon this 10. Okay, 110 upon 10. 0, 0 cancel. 11 remaining. So rupees 11. The answer is rupees 11 is paid for one packet. Now see the third one. First of all, see the statement. 35 students are sitting in 7 rows. Okay, 7 rows are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And in that total students is there. 35 students are sitting in 7 rows. Each rows has the same number of students. Okay, तो आपका क्वेश्चन होगा कि 7 रोज में 35 स्टूडेंट्स है तो 1 रो में कितने स्टूडेंट्स. How many students are sitting in one row you have to find out. Now answer you have to leave just now as it is. See the method. In 7 rows 35 students are there. Okay. So 1 rows how much? 1 multiplied by 35 upon this 7. So 7 के table में 35, 7 5s are 35. So answer is a 5 student. So write down in the answer 5 students are sitting in a one row. Now see the next page 168. See the fourth one. First of all see the statement. Anil, Meera, Minku and Hina. How many are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Are going to Guwahati. Anil, Meera, Minku and Hina are going to Guwahati. And see total 4s are there. Okay. 4%. The cost of one rail ticket is rupees 62. Okay. One ticket की price आपको दी है. तो आपको क्या find out करना है? Question is what is the total cost of all the 4 tickets? 4 are there ना? 4 person is there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So question आपका होगा कि what is the total cost of all the 4 tickets? So answer just leave as it is. See the method. Cost of one ticket is rupees 62. Therefore, cost of 4 ticket is equal to how much? 4 multiplied by 62. See the rough work. 62 multiplied by 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 6 are 24. So 248 rupees. Write down here rupees 248. Now your answer is the total cost of all the 4 ticket is rupees 248. Now see the next one, fifth one. First of all see the statement. 1 meter of cloth cost rupees 20. Again see 1 meter of cloth 1 meter है तो उसकी price rupees 20. Rajesh bought some cloth and paid rupees 140. See here it's given that राजेश ने जो अमाउंट पेड किया है वो आपको रुपीज 140 आपको दिया है बट हाउ मच क्लोथ ही हैज बॉट दैट इज नॉट गिवन. तो योर क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मच क्लोथ डिड राजेश बाय. ओके आंसर्स आपको बाद में लिखना है. नाउ सी इन सी 1 मीटर क्लोथ रुपीज 20. सो 20 रुपीज में 1 मीटर आया. 20 rupees में 1 meter cloth come. Then rupees 140 how much cloth come? 140 multiplied by 1 upon this 20. 140 multiplied by 1 upon this 20. Now see this 0 cancel. Now here it's a 40 remaining and here it's a 2. So 2 7s are 14. So 7 meter is your answer. So answer is Rajesh bought 7 meter cloth. Now see the test yourself. Choose the correct alternative for each questions and write its order alphabet in a box. See the first question. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. 4 3s are 12. So answer is a 3. Then 12 is written in multiplication factor as a. अब 12 को आपको multiplication factor में कैसे लिखें? Okay. So multiplication factor में this 12 is the product. So how you have to write down 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. This is the right correct one. So C, option C you have to write down in the box. Now see the second one. 48 blanks 6 is equal to 8. See here which sign comes? 48 multiplied by 6 तो ज्यादा हो जाएगा. It's not a 8. then minus is also not the answer. Plus करे 48 plus 6, then it's also 8 not comes. If we divide 48 divided by 6, then 8 answer is a true one. Put the proper sign. The proper sign is the division, option D. Write down in the box D. Now see the third one. If 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. 7 3s are 21. So answer 3. Then 210 divided by 70. See 210 divided by 70 is equal to also 3. 70 3s are 210. Now see the short form also. 210 divided by 70. Okay. 0 0 cancel. This 0 0 cancel. 7 3s are 21. 3 again. So option is a C and answer is a 3. Option C you have to write down in the box. Now see the next page 169. Fourth one. How many 20 rupees notes are there in 500? See 20 रुपीज की नोट 500 करने के लिए कितनी 20 रुपीज की नोट चाहिए? तो 500 divided by 20 if we do, then 25 answer comes. Okay, and 20 multiplied by 25 it's a 500. So your option is a B and 25 is your correct answer. Okay, so you have to write down 25 is the answer and option B in the box. Now see the fifth one. Which of the following is a multiple of 6? See. 6 6 are 36. So this 36 is the multiple of 6. So option B you have to write down in the box. Now see the sixth one. Millie has not gone to school for 28 days. Millie जो है वो स्कूल में 28 days she have not gone. Okay. For how many weeks was she away from school? And आपको आंसर पूछा है वीक में. And 28 days are given. Okay. And 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 7 how much are 28? 7 4s are 28. So 4 weeks is your answer. So 4 weeks in the D option. So D option is your right answer. Write down D in the box. Here your chapter is completed, and in the next video we will show the. In the next video we will see. Then let's do homework. Okay. Now stay safe, stay healthy. Okay. Bye.